Just be out with us to Lamego in Douro Valley. We just checked out from our Airbnb here in Regua and we are waiting for a taxi to head over to Lamego. Lamego is only 14 kilometers away from Regua and there is no Uber available, and the taxi cost 16 euros. I think this is our taxi right here. Just pulled up to the hotel. The ride was really scenic and quick, so we are a little bit early. It is 12:30. Let's see if we can just drop off our bags and head to town. We actually just got upgraded. The receptionist saw us filming downstairs and they offered us a free upgrade, so it was really sweet. The room looks exactly the same as our previous room, just the view is different. Out it was raining the entire day.
It did not let up.
So what we did is we went to the pool, relaxed in their warm tub, which is really cool because it looks like a wine barrel. Finally, dinner time. We are starving. It is 7:30 p.m. and this is the earliest you can have dinner. Tomorrow we will make the second attempt to go to town because this town has some really beautiful structures, cathedrals and monuments. So I'm really excited. I hope
weather permitting,
a few hours of good weather.
Yes.
The view here is absolutely beautiful.
The feel of the hotel is pretty modern. Even though the town is kind of like an old town, like kind of nestled in the hills, but the hotel is pretty much modern.
And it has really nice decor. Everything is very earthy, wooden. There is a lot of fake plants inside, but they do look real. Our food came and it looks spectacular. Devan ordered spicy linguine with prawns. Well, on the menu it said linguine, but it's actually spaghetti. And I ordered sea bass with clams, and it comes with sweet potatoes.
This is excellent. The linguine.
Is it spicy though?
It's spicy, but the spices that we use here, as we mentioned in other vlogs, they use a spice called piri piri. And piri piri has, we don't consider it to be spicy as in hot. It has a zing to it, like a little zest to it. It's really, really good.
Your taste buds.
Yeah, it's just a little zing it has, and it's really good. It's done al dente, done very well. The fresh tomatoes in there, you can taste the clam sauce that's in here. Really done well with the herbs. Phenomenal job. This is really good. I'm gonna enjoy this one.
Wow, my sea bass is excellent. You have to try it. I love the crispy skin. The sea bass is very gentle.
Oh, wow, instant.
And the flavor, you can definitely taste the freshness.
Whoa, there it is again. Goosebumps.
It's excellent.
Wow, the crispiness of the skin is so good.
I am so surprised.
This
And
is
sweet
excellent.
Mosquito.
And as you can see, there's no wine on the table, which normally there would be, and I'm sure it would pair great with this. But because we're feeling a little under the weather, we haven't been drinking. And they gave us a complimentary bottle in our room, which we could have even brought down here to drink, but we haven't really drank it because we're under the weather.
And they also offered us complimentary drinks upon arrival with the choice of either rosé or white wine. I could not resist the chocolate fondant cake. Well, it's supposed to be lava cake. Let's see the lava test. Oh, yes, it does.
Awesome.
Passed the test. Look at that. Awesome.
And I ordered the lemon meringue. It looks like on top they put the meringue and then they torch it so it gets that golden brown on top. It's like in a tub of like goodness. Oh. See what this tastes like.
It definitely does not compare to Mayan chocolate. This chocolate is very light brown, so for me it's not chocolatey enough. And the
normally it's
raspberry
used with dark chocolate, right?
Yeah, it's very light. It's like milk chocolate. And strawberry ice cream doesn't pair too well with the chocolate fondant. How's yours?
This is good. I like it. Ooh, look at that. So we're closing out our first night here, a wonderful dinner with wonderful company in this beautiful hotel. And hopefully tomorrow will bring great weather so we can go out and explore the town. Just be out with us.
Our breakfast was excellent. I was actually surprised by the variety, and they constantly refill all the stations and all the plates. I got some tea and fruits for our room. The weather looks really gloomy, but it's kind of romantic. I don't know if we'll be able to go to town yet. It just stopped raining, so we might try. Let's see. I am out all by myself. Devan is not feeling well, so he decided to stay in the room and relax, and my fever went down and it's just stopped raining. Tonight is our last full day. It is almost 5 p.m. so I have a few hours in the day to go to Lamego town and check out some sites. They have an incredible sanctuary there. This is where I'm going first. So let's see what it looks like. I made it to Santuário de Senhora dos Remédios, or Sanctuary of Senhora of Medicine. There is some type of prayer playing on the speaker, and of course, as soon as I got here, it started drizzling. When I got here, they were playing bells, and it was really beautiful. So this sanctuary is located on the top, right on the hill, and it has an observation of the entire city, well, the town. It is really beautiful, even when it's raining. There are 656 steps to go either up or down. There are two ways of visiting this place. I took a taxi all the way to the top. The road is very zigzaggy and it takes you through a park. There are picnic chairs. The taxi driver offered to wait for me, but I wanted to take my time exploring this area, and I wanted to take the steps down into the town, but the hotel reception told me that the part of the stairs might be closed. I'm not sure. Well, he was not sure, so I'm gonna try to go down and see if I can make it all the way down, but it's going to be a leg day. Lucky me, the rain stopped and the sun finally came out. And this view is epic. This is a really beautiful place and a must visit in Lamego. They are playing prayers through the speakers. It's really nice and peaceful here. There are waterfalls, and the staircases are decorated with beautiful blue and white tiles that you can see right behind me. And every panel with tiles tell a different story. It is so beautiful here. I made it. This was super easy, and this road leads to town. Ha! I made it! Just be out with Irina the Explorer. And I'm actually in a partial stairs. There's a part of stairs that is blocked off, and behind me there are a couple of more steps that I still need to go down to make it to the town. I'm assuming this is her, Senhora dos Remédios. How do you like my Portuguese now, huh? I am officially at the bottom, and over here, right in front of the steps to the sanctuary, there is a nice park with some statues. The sanctuary is actually the furthest point from our hotel where we're staying. Google Maps said it was 45-minute walk, but our hotel concierge recommended two other places that a must visit when here in Lamego. Lamego is a really old historic town, and it's very picturesque. It has a lot of monuments. It's actually #1 town in Portugal that has the most statues and cathedrals and historic things in Portugal. This is so true about the statues. Anywhere I look, there are statues everywhere. It was really easy to find my second stop or second attraction, Sé de Lamego, Cathedral de Lamego. Let's take a closer look. This is an active cathedral. They are praying. I did not feel comfortable filming inside because they are praying there, and I just wanted to get a couple of shots. But it is a 12th century cathedral, and it is free to go in, and it's open till 7 p.m. And the third attraction on my list is Castelo de Lamego, or the castle. Let's go see the castle. The only problem is my phone is at 16%, and it tends to actually die really fast, but it is only a 10-minute walk. So let's see if I can make it to the castle using Google Maps and Google Map myself back to the hotel. I was warned the castle is up the hill. Well, I see the sign for Castello. At least I'm on the right track. I made it. Well, I knew the castle was going to be closed, but I was hoping it would look cool on the outside. I mean, it doesn't look like much, just brick walls or stone walls, I should say, but the view is absolutely spectacular. It is perfect views for the castle. Castle sits on top of a hill overlooking this gorgeous valley, and you can see the town from up here as well. And this is it for our Lamego exploration, or my adventures, I could say. Tomorrow we are heading back to Porto for their biggest party of the year, sardine party. If you would like to see what the hotel looks like, we created a full walkthrough of the hotel. Once this video is published, we will leave the link in the description, but be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss that video. And if you also want to see what the party looks like in Porto, look out for that video as well. If you enjoyed this video, please click like. It will help our channel grow, and it will help other viewers to find this video. Obrigada for watching, and as usual, just be out with us.